60 seconds if I make correct pidgin and names. Now what they do and what they look today now. All the things will happen for Europe, the Ogbonga things. For Manchester, they know they paint that city red again, now blue now. Now they paint the city because Manchester City, they make sure say Jose Mourinho in come on hand from here. They knock them 3-1 for that particular game. And many people don't they say, oh boy, this Man City be like saying that then go carry league again. Oh. Then for Italy, Juventus, then AC Milan 2-0, Ronaldo even score goal for that one. He go and even get red card. People don't they ask say when Gattuso, the coach of AC Milan, go waka come up for the club. Say since he come the club, he never bring better result come AC Milan. And for Germany, Borussia Dortmund and Bayern Munich, it be like say we go see new people wey go win German league again. Because people don't tire every time Bayern Munich, every time Bayern, many new people win and serve. It go good, make Borussia Dortmund win the league this time. And for France, PSG against Monaco, this Igwe where they call Thierry Henry, it be like say no be thrown in the Zidane again on a sides 2 now in there now. Monaco then lose that one 4-0. So how your team perform this weekend for Europe? You like the way your team perform? You want me your team do more? Just hit us with comments.